like to talk a little bit about the statues you see in our park. Each corner of the park has a statue. And as this park started out, we used to have a flower bed over here initially, and then as we grew, we took the flower bed out and these statues became available. And one of our local young men, Noah Irons, was doing the Eagle Scout project, and he took on the project of placement of the statues and design. So we bought these statues up in Buffalo, Minnesota. We were able to raise enough money to buy 3 statues. And at that time, they were only making male statues. So initially, we had a male statue on the front corners here and one in the back. So that left one corner vacant. So as time went on, we found out that they were making female statues. And so we jumped on that right away because we felt obligated to honor all the ladies that have served our country in all the wars. And more so, as time has gone on, we have more and more ladies serving our country. So this statue here obviously is of a young lady that's serving in the military. And what I like to do when I give tours of our park, I like to have people look into her eyes. And then I ask them, take a minute and tell me what you see in that lady's eyes. What do you think that she's thinking? And everybody's got a different idea. And we get some really, really good answers. But to me, she's looking out into the distance, wondering, what's this operation that we're on today? What's it gonna bring? Am I gonna come back safely? I have children at home, possibly. I have a spouse at home, possibly. Am I gonna come back to them? For a veteran, it's hard to explain have been possibly in the same situation she's in, wondering, am I gonna come home? Am I gonna come home in one piece? As you can see, she's dressed in full uniform of a combat soldier, carrying the same thing that a man would carry. So when these became available, we discussed it that we should make this this area here a place of honor. And what more could we do than put a lady veteran here? So we moved the male veteran that was here back into the corner and we placed her here. So now we've got a statue, or a guardian as we like to call it, guarding our beautiful park on each corner.